Rheinmetall BAE Systems Land (RBSL) has officially delivered the first Boxer armored vehicle fully assembled at its Telford facility to the British Army. This delivery marks a significant milestone in a program that has already reached several crucial phases. The completed vehicle was handed over from the Assembly, Test and Trial (ATT) team and transported to Bovington, where it will serve as a dedicated training platform. Here, soldiers will gain hands-on experience operating, driving, and maintaining the Boxer before any frontline deployment. This milestone is part of a broader £5 billion, $7 billion, modernization initiative aimed at supplying 623 vehicles in multiple variants to equip the UK's future mechanized infantry units. The Boxer's design prioritizes modularity, high mobility, and strong protective measures, with around 75% of components manufactured domestically within the UK. The Telford site underwent a £56 million upgrade, transforming it into a cutting-edge production hub featuring dedicated assembly lines for drive and mission modules, surface treatment workshops, and armored steel fabrication. This facility is supported by KNDS UK and forms a vital part of the Mechanised Infantry Vehicle (MIV) program, which began in 2019. The contract was awarded via Aker to Artec GmbH, a joint venture between Rheinmetall and KNDS, and involves close cooperation among the British Army, Defence Equipment and Support (DENS), and industry partners. The Boxer used by the British Army retains the modular framework developed by Germany and the Netherlands, allowing swift role adaptations. These roles range from troop transport and command post to ambulance and 120mm mortar carrier. The training variant is equipped with a 360-degree threat detection system, including high-definition long-range cameras that identify potential enemy threats while on the move. The crew receives real-time alerts through a digital display, maintaining situational awareness without compromising safety. Additional features include a nuclear, biological, and chemical (NBC) protection system, climate control for harsh environments, and a remote weapon station armed with a choice of a 12.7mm machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. This weapon system can be reconfigured depending on operational demands. Approximately 3/4 of the vehicle's components come from UK suppliers. Production is split between RBSL in Telford and WFEL in Stockport, with over 100 subcontractors across the country contributing. This domestic supply chain supports about 400 direct jobs at these sites and sustains more than 1,000 roles nationally. The British Boxer variants also incorporate enhanced compatibility with the network-enabled capability, NEC, communications and battlefield management systems and benefit from operational lessons learned by other Boxer users, such as Germany and Lithuania. While some initial production stages remain in Germany, the UK is steadily expanding its manufacturing capabilities to align with governmental goals to boost domestic defence industry autonomy. The Boxer program runs in parallel with the acquisition of 148 Challenger 3 main battle tanks and the Ajax family of tracked reconnaissance vehicles, collectively expected to safeguard or create over 6,000 jobs within the UK defence sector. With the delivery of this first UK-assembled Boxer, the British Army now has a vital training asset to prepare crews for upcoming operational requirements. The gradual rollout of these domestically produced vehicles, supported by a strengthened industrial base, is projected to continue over several years, ensuring the armed forces are equipped to face evolving security challenges worldwide.